Hey there, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a powerful automations using IFTTT. If this then that whether you are beginner or someone looking to streamline your daily tasks, this guide is for you. Let's get started. So what is IFTTT? Well, if IFTTT stands for if this then that, it's a free web-based service that lets you create a simple automation known as applets to connect different apps and devices. So let's create an IFTTT account. First thing first, you need an IFTTT account. IFTTT. So let's click the link. So once you're here, you're ready to create your first automation. Let's create our account. Let's sign up using our Google account. So I will going to choose my account. Let's continue. So let's not now. Okay. So add. So let's choose our Facebook. So you can choose by this option. So for me, I'm going to choose the new photo posted by me. So this is my account. If you wanna add your account, just click here. Then your account will be you will see your account here. Then create triggered. Then let's add. Where do you want to connect? So let's say I'm going to connect with my drive. So let's click the drive. Then I wanted to save the URL into my Google Drive. So let's create action. Then continue. Then finish. Okay. So let's click the publish. Then let's save the settings. Then let's going to try it. Let's go to our Facebook account and let's try to post. For example, this life is short and it's here to be lived. So I'd like to caption it. You have to believe in yourself when no one else does. So let's post it. Then here is our post. Then we will go to our Google Drive. We will go to our Google Drive. Click Drive. Then we see the IFTTT folder here. Let's check if our post is here. So you see Facebook, click, and that's it. You see that our post is saved here. So it's working. Life is short and it is here to live. So that's it for videos today. I hope you enjoy watching and I hope it also worked with you. Thank you.